On the morning of September 8, 2009, a patrol of American soldiers fighting in Afghanistan approached a small village. Corporal Dakota Meyer was ordered to maintain security outside the village while his men moved forward. Just as the patrol approached the village, Taliban soldiers lying in wait opened fire on the American patrol. A hail of bullets engulfed them, and there were heavy casualties. Corporal Meyer requested to move forward in order to rescue 4 members of his team, but his request was repeatedly denied. Then Meyer made the decision to disobey orders. He jumped into a gun turret and told the Marine driver they were going in. With enemy fire raining down, Meyer made trip after trip into the fray. On the 5th and final trip, and wounded by shrapnel, Meyer finally located his men under a storm of enemy fire. 3 Marines and 1 Navy corpsman lost their lives that day, but Meyer refused to leave their bodies behind. 36 men came home to their loved ones as a direct result of the gallantry displayed that day by Dakota Meyer. He lived up to the highest ideals of the Marine Corps, refusing to leave a single man behind. For his actions, Corporal Meyer was awarded the Medal of Honor. Today, we honor those who served, those who fought for our freedom, and we remember the fallen soldiers now in the divine embrace of our Lord.